actually a very easy dish to make. I know I say that about a lot of dishes, but this one really is easy. I have here 3 small, very, very ripe tomatoes that I've sliced thinly, salted, and placed between some paper towels to absorb the moisture. I also have pieces of French bread that are fresh. I'm going to toast these. We start by making the spread with 4 ounces of cream cheese and 1 large clove of garlic. I'm just going to grate this clove of garlic. A raw garlic is a lot more potent than cooked garlic, so this tends to linger with you. Probably not the best dish to make on a first date. I just take a mighty fork and I smash the cream cheese. It's already been softening. And add a little salt. In the original recipe, she added a little mayonnaise to this as well. I personally don't really like mayonnaise, so I leave it out. I'm just going to pop these in the toaster oven to toast them. All toasted. Time for our last ingredient, salami. I love salami. When I was a kid, I would go to school with just 2 pieces of salami in a little plastic bag, and I'd always eat it at recess. And at home, I'd just eat salami out of the package, or I'd eat it with cream cheese. So that's probably why I love this dish so much. In the original recipe, she didn't mention toasting the bread, but I find it's just so much better. There's a nice crunch, there's a nice temperature contrast, it melts the cream cheese a little bit. It's great. Each piece of bread gets a piece of salami. And then I layer the tomato slices on top. And behold their garlicky, delightful, maybe Ukrainian goodness.